First car to the 8th mile marker wins. Joe Cleary, right-hand lane, Highland, Indiana, 57 Chevy Highland. 96 Ford Thunderbird. Big motor. That's all he put on his tech car. Big. I got a root for Joe Cleary on this one. I'm a Chevy guy. And looks like the Tony's having a little bit. There he goes. He's got it in reverse. This is the final round for all the bucks. Take the favorite, Ford versus Chevy. Ford versus Chevy, 8th mile racing, folks. Here we go. Here we go. I'd like to see the Chevy take it. Paul Catoni running real good though tonight. It's gonna be tough.